boat pose. So we're going to come down onto the floor. Couple of options here. So I'm going to start with the easiest, work my way up to the most advanced. Hands are going to remain at my side. Feet are going to be lifted. Knees are bent, and I'm holding. Okay? If we feel like we can do that, we're going to remove the hands and start here. If this feels doable, then we're going to try and extend the legs all the way out so they are nice and straight. Quads are squeezed tight, and we are holding and breathing. So that is our boat pose.